Welcome to everyone gathered here. We are here for the Institution Innovation Council 4.0 session on the topic on overcoming business failure. We have with us a distinguished speaker, Mr. Yagneshwaran Veluswamy. Sir is the Chief Executive Officer of Yakai India Organic Products. I'd like to take a few minutes to introduce our speaker today. So, Mr. Yagneshwaran Veluswamy has been the Chief Executive Officer at Yakai India Organic Products based in Sweden and has studied at the University of Borås, Swedish School of Textiles, for his master's program and the Kumaraguru College of Technology for his bachelor's in textile technology. Sir is actively involved in various leadership activities, including has also represented the Indian national team in the handball tournament, as well as various other sports. Mr. Yagneswaran Veluswamy has also been awarded with many achievements, including the Best Captain of the Year, Mahatma Gandhi Award for Sports, Best Outgoing Student, Interzonal winner in Anna University, and state level handball winner in 2010. So, as so, I'd like to invite Sir to give his talk on the topic on how to overcome business failure. Thank you.
Thank you, Amrut. I'm Ignesh Veluswamy from Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore. I'm basically located in Coimbatore, and I did my master's in Sweden. And as you said, I did my master's degree over there, and I started my business career in Sweden. And I started up the company name called Yakai India Organic Products. And I gone through failure in this brand. Actually, for building the brand itself, I have to spend money of more than 25 lakhs in this project. So, in order to overcome that, I want to get back. Yeah, could you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Sorry?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay. My basic story starts from my sports career, because I have gone through many failures in many games, and also personally I have gone through many failures. So it's easy for me to come up with failures into success, to how to make it success. So how do you all know about the failure in business or in any aspect in your life?
Only when your business is not making any profit.
Sorry? That you are
If
facing failures in life.
maybe that we are not at the expectations of where we want to be.
Also, in studies, also you can it in social media platform. You can come up with procuring milk more than 500 liters. So I've dropped that project also, and then I started my poultry farming. In poultry farming, I've faced almost many challenges. More than Yakai, I have faced many challenges, like, because it's a livelihood. So we have to, if from chick to growing stage, we have to keep on analyzing. If we leave the employees in the farm, they may collapse with the medicines and everything. So it also went on failure for me. So now I'm into manufacturing copra and sulfur-free coconut oil, and it's going good, probably. And we have to nowadays many youngsters are starting or in startup, like myself, and they are facing failures, and they got vexed, and they are coming up with no result, and they are losing life. I have gone through many youngsters who have lost their life in business, not coming up with a proper mindset. We have to face failures before getting success. We have to face many failures. So failure is the main task for me to bring my brand into success, great success. I have established Akai in India also right now, and I'm trying to push it in the market very gradually, in a slow processing manner. I hope I will get succeed in local market. And also I'm into organic farming. That's a major part of my life to change myself, to face many failures, and being strong in that. Anyone have started a brand or something like myself and struggling in marketing or anything else?
No,
Could
I
you
don't.
respond? Sorry?
I don't think so, sir. Most of us are students here.
Yeah. All are graduated, UG graduated, or
Students, sir.
Students, sir. Final year and pre-final year students.
sorry, I mean already undergraduated, or it's
Sir,
Undergraduate.
actually what happens, uh, these students are all UG students and few PG students also.
okay, fine.
Students from now itself, they will be trained to get into the startup because the students will be doing the projects also. Based
Okay.
on those ideas, we want that idea to be taken forward into the startup form.
Sorry.
The
Sorry,
students,
ma'am.
few students will be having a different type of ideas, which they convert into mini projects.
Yeah, ma'am, I understand.
What our institute need is, these ideas should be implemented in the form of startup,
Okay, ma'am.
where they are lagging to get into that startup. As you were saying that you've gone through lots of failures, so give something points so that these students should be stick on.
Of course, that's right. Yeah, well, any of us ask me a question? Any of you can ask me a question regarding your startup or where you want to face challenges and everything. I can explain it.
Sir, how to find product market fit?
Clubhouse will hit like this. Everyone are in Clubhouse, right? There are many lectures are going in Clubhouse. You can like that. You have to analyze the market. You have to be preferred in the base. Like I'm not an IT student, so but I can explain you like what to say. If you are building an app, like what kind of app you are building, like it's a product promoting app, or it's like what to say, it helps to do some service for the customers, or it like location app. There are many apps are in nowadays in App Store or Google Play Store. What kind of app you are looking for, like?
Sir, like creating a platform for students, sir, in which they can answer to quizzes and earn rewards.
Earn rewards. Sorry, come up.
Yes, sir. Like like KBC, like an app, sir. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? Like people will answer those answers and earn rewards, sir.
It looks like a lottery app.
Sir, not lottery. It's like using the knowledge, sir.
Yeah, I understand, but it looks like a lottery app. You have to get a financial assistant for that, so that only you can succeed in it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because without like crorepati, if you give credits like for what to say, anyhow you are going to give credits like in points, or you are going to reward them with money or like that.
Sir, we will credit them with the coins, sir, which they will be eventually using to buy discounted products, sir.
So that you have to come up with brands. so that the brands have to ready to offer you a discount. First thing is, like, if you get into Adidas, they have to give discount for using your app. Like, whoever gets win in the quiz or something, like, they have to get ready to give an offer. So you have to build core is like your core product should be ethic for the brands to give a sponsor to you.
Okay, sir.
Anything else?
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sir. Many of the students or beginners think that once they have a sound technical idea or something like that, most of them think that it will work. But actually, it's not the case on the ground, as briefed by you. So, what kind of groundwork has to be made before launching a product, something like that, sir?
Actually, in my brand, I have did a groundwork based on India, not based on Sweden population.
Yes,
because
sir. Yes, sir. You can share that.
Yeah, because my groundwork, like, I have my product color. I have chosen a color of yellow, blue, green, which represent white, blue, green. The three things. White represent air, and blue represent water, and green represent plants. So my concept is, like, without this we can't live in the planet. That was my concept. But it hits in India, but not in Sweden, because the Swedish market, they don't use colored patterns in their costume. So that also I got failure. So what the people, and also the population is too low in Sweden compared to India. So with the population also, I could not market much in Sweden. But the transportation cost and the shipment cost is too high for me comparatively to other European countries to get into Sweden, and taxation is also high. So that's all we have to study in locally, and what the customers or need is important for us. Either our concept is right or wrong, you have to satisfy the customer in their expectation. What product you are going to pitch, Sandosh?
Sir, can you come again? What kind?
What product you are going to try to pitch in the market?
Sir, as students, they may. I'm from civil engineering background. Maybe they will come out with some building material.
Yeah, nowadays you have to think ethically. In olden days, you can think a concept like a mud house or something like that, because nowadays mud houses are getting famous in all over Tamil Nadu, and I hope in Karnataka also they are having that kind of mud house, and they are utilizing for, like, resort, and in restaurant also they are having mud plates. You can study the market in ancient period, and you can come up with the ancient ideas into the market right now.
Sir, regarding market study, sir, can you throw some light on how to go for market study and all?
Market study is like, you can share with your friends your idea. You can share with your relatives or something like that, because you are going to try to pitch the in India or locally only, right?
Yes, sir.
So you have to share your idea, knowledge to your friends or your close circles, whether they. But you will get many bad comments for your project. When you get more bad comments, you have to get into it, and you have to try to fix the market according to their comments. If you are strong in the base, you can easily go across.
So the beginning step is to share with the known people.
Yeah, known people. Yeah, that's right.
Yes, sir.
And also yes, you can look into your professors, and you can get in touch with your experienced civil engineer, or like what are the current
The
projects are
practice
going
is
in the market. You can study
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
so that you can
Regarding
easily pitch.
branding, making a brand,
Yeah.
we were quoting it is very important to make a brand. And one more point you raised. So how to go about that, sir? Can you throw some light?
Making a brand, it has to like name is important for a brand, and logo is important. uh, it must be ethically reached to the customer easily. If you say superstar, who will come in your mind?
Yes, it's Rajnikant.
Yeah, Rajnikant. Like that. If you the brand, like what the you have everyone come up with a film name called I have not seen that film, but everyone used to say, I have seen a clip in the film. I don't get. He's a like he's a don. Mm, can anyone say?
Sir, come again, sir, please.
Yeah, there is a film which it's a Don film. The actor, the hero is a Don. He's a brand.
In Hindi, Amrish Puri is there. He was there, and in Kannada, Vajramani was there. I mean, some brands, villain.
Villain, yeah.
Yeah.
Like villain used to say, MJK. Oh, sorry, I don't remember the film name. Okay, let's come. If you are like easily how to reach the people's mind, that's the most effective in branding. And also brand like we have to spend on marketing. If you see what is sorry, Saravana stores, have you come up with Saravana store in Tamil Nadu?
No idea, sir.
Yes, sir.
No
Saravanan
idea.
store, food joint.
Saravana store.
Food joint, right, sir?
Not food joint. It's a supermarket.
Acha, okay, sir.
So in that, the owner itself had an ad. It was trolled by everyone all over Tamil Nadu. After that, their market share was increased. Hello. Yeah, hear me? Like that,
Yes, sir.
like that, we have to establish our idea, and we have to come up what to say, in a strong base. After the Saravana store, yeah.
Yeah, I have two questions for you, sir.
Sorry.
The first thing is, I have two questions for you.
Yes, Shami.
First thing is, you've gone through a lot of products and you have started a lot of startup, as you were saying at the starting.
Yeah.
So when you face the failure from one product, how do you cope up yourself to get into the second one?
Sorry.
Hope I'm clear.
Sorry, it's I could not get back to you. There is a network issue for me.
So as you were saying,
Yeah.
as you were saying at the starting of the session, you have gone through a lot of failure, right?
Yes, of course, that's right.
So what motivated you?
Just a second, I will get refreshed.
In one startup and you got to the second startup within a few months, I guess.
Not within few months. I got into startup next startup after 6 months of time. Because while I'm Yeah.
So what triggered you to be in the startup?
Because I'm a sports person.
Usually what happens?
Yeah.
Usually what happens when some person, or you can say our students, will start a startup, if they started something drawback or they face a failure, they will
Okay.
drop the idea and they will get into some other company.
Yeah, I understand. Because my thing is, my base thing is, I have to build a brand for myself. That was my strong base in myself. Actually, I'm a handball player, and I used to play cricket and I used to play volleyball. But in handball, they I don't get a, like, what to say, like in cricket we can easily get branding, promotion, everything. But in handball and volleyball we can't. I have gone through failure in that. And next thing is, like, I have to build a brand myself. What to say? If you are going into a company, it will be a particular time only you can be in a company, or if they fired you, you have to be jobless. That was my concept to get into business ideas and everything. And once you get into a good idea, you have to start establishing the idea into the market. That's my request to everyone. If you are getting failed, you like exams, many used to get failed. I'm not basically a strong personality in studies. I used to get border marks, and I have failed in many subjects. And I have got during my college days in UG time, I've gone through 24 arrears. And during the end semester, according the concept, like, if you are fixing your budget for like 25 lakhs, you have to come up with the amount what you are in hand. At the end of the day, it's the business is not going good also, you have to get back the amount from the same business, or you have to invest in some other business and you have to regain the money which you have lost. That was my concept. I hope I have cleared your doubt.
Yes, sir. The second question I wanted to ask is, when you come up with an idea,
Yeah.
how much importance we have to give to pitch our idea or
Okay.
to develop an idea? So what is the ratio you are giving more importance to that pitching of an idea? How much important is that?
Pitching an idea is very important than generating an idea. That's right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you are strong in pitching your idea, then you can easily get a financial support from your end, like from your parents or your relatives or someone who can finance you for into the business, and you can get government funding also. Nowadays, our Modi government is doing a great job. Actually, when I was in Sweden, I don't get many opportunities to market myself or my product in Sweden. But now they are gradually opening the market in everywhere in Europe for Indian products. Earlier, it was a Chinese occupied market. So it's like a right time. If you have an idea, you have to pitch it in a right time, in right proposal. Yeah, Shruti.
Yes, sir. That's it from my end.
Anyone else?
So how did you get funding for your startups?
Funding for the startup, you should not go for the investors, because investors are most investors are getting your ideas, and they are like, they will be a partner for your idea. And after the idea is been hit in the market, they will slowly, gradually close your like your partnership will be ended in some point of the time. When your market is hit and when your idea is hit in the market, they will gradually overcome you. And it's my end. I'm not getting into investors, and I'm just getting through bank loans and everything like that. If you have a good idea, there are many schemes or in PM Yojana or something like that. So you can get a funding of 10 lakh rupee with a fraction of hours or something like that. You can go into the Indian government website, and what product you are going to pitch in the market. You can generate your idea in accordingly, and you have to do the presentation to the government employees over there. If they are ready to fund, obviously you will get a funding, and you will be getting 25% of subsidy for the startup. And your idea should be unique. That's most important. I don't know how Karnataka or Maharashtra works in funding. In Tamil Nadu, there are many funding activities are happen in state government, in locally.
I want to give some glance on our government here. So basically,
Sorry?
what happens here? I just want to give us some glance of
sure.
what our government is doing for our students as well as the startup.
Sure, ma'am.
And hope you've gone through the news that from Karnataka, all over the global, the Bangalore stands within 100 in the startup policy, and the government is designing a different startup policy for new startups as well as student startups also. For every project, the government is funding over 3 lakh rupees.
Okay, ma'am.
There is a ESDM program also.
Okay, ma'am.
So we are getting a lot of opportunity for our students as well as the startups here, sir, including
that's
state
right.
and central government.
Yeah, that's right, ma'am. Here also the funding is given by state government for the students when they are in startup. When we are a student, we can get easy funding through government. But when we are coming out of our studies or something like that, we have to pitch our idea into the market, and then only we can get the funding from government. So while you study itself, you think a project, and you can join together, like a couple of friends can join and come up with an idea, and you can approach the government or through your college, and they will be releasing the fund for your project. That's a easy time being program for you. But after coming out of the college, you can't get into funding, or you don't get time and to involve in developing a brand or developing an idea in funding through the government subsidy and everything. When you come out of your studies and personally you are going to approach a bank or government employee, they may restrict you. They will be, now India is like totally corrupted country. Obviously Tamil Nadu, they used to get corruption from what we are getting. So
yeah, that's everywhere.
That's everywhere. So better being a student, you can get in touch with your government officials, and with your college guidance, you can easily get funding through government. In Tamil Nadu, we have needs. We have many schemes in Tamil Nadu, like for core and many will be in core, like manufacturing sector we are having, and also in agriculture sector there are different schemes are there. You can segregate which project you are going to involve in, and you are getting fund. And for that you should not have any GST registration in your name or something like that. So you have to recognize what your project is like. And in PM funding, you will be getting what to say, loan allowance, like 2 to 3% of the loan will be paid by the central government for 2 years or something like that. So
there is certain help is there.
yeah,
Your
certain
experience.
help, yeah.
Okay,
Sorry?
but you cannot completely rely on, but certain help is there.
Yeah, of course, that's right.
Okay, sir. Sir, one more question. So everybody shares their success story, agreed, but failures are very, very important because that teach you where not to go. And your success story, of course, has a lot of failures, and and that are the javelins in your.
Still, I have not got succeed. So
That's okay. We hope for.
I don't
we
have
hope
any
to,
success story, but I hope I will be getting into success story probably soon.
Sir. We hope for that, sir. Sir,
Thank
can
you so
you
much.
just identify in your journey some turning points where what went wrong exactly? Your experience itself, your undertakings itself. What went wrong? How did you analyze, and how did you come out of it? How did you overcome those things? And what do you think were the turning points in your journey?
Like where to say, believing the people or believing the buyer, customers. Yeah. So giving credits to the customers. In that point, I have got lagged.
I mean.